Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into 10 interior design ideas for open floor plans. Open floor plans can be both inviting and challenging, as they require thoughtful design to create distinct, functional areas. Whether you're looking to define spaces, enhance functionality, or add a touch of personal flair, we've got you covered with practical tips and inspiring ideas. Let's transform your open space into a beautifully cohesive home. 1. Define spaces with rugs. Rugs are not just for comfort, they're a powerful tool in defining spaces within an open floor plan. By placing a rug under a dining table or in a living room area, you create a visual boundary that separates one space from another. Think of rugs as frames for different rooms within your larger space. They can add texture, color, and warmth, all while subtly guiding the flow of the room. Choose rugs that complement the overall design and color scheme of your space to ensure a cohesive look. Remember, the right rug can make a space feel more intimate and inviting. 2. Create zones with furniture arrangement. Furniture arrangement can significantly impact how an open floor plan feels and functions. By strategically placing furniture, you can create distinct zones for different activities, such as lounging, dining, and working. For instance, a sofa can act as a boundary between the living room and the kitchen area. Consider using back-to-back sofas or open shelving units to further delineate spaces. The key is to ensure that each zone feels purposeful and that the transition between them is seamless. This approach not only organizes the space but also enhances its usability. 3. Use statement lighting for each area. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and defining spaces within an open floor plan. Statement lighting fixtures, such as chandeliers or pendant lights, can be used to highlight specific areas. For example, a dramatic chandelier over the dining table draws attention to the dining area, while recessed lighting in the living room creates a cozy ambiance. Consider the function of each space and choose lighting that complements its purpose. Mixing different types of lighting, such as task, ambient, and accent lighting, can add depth and interest to the overall design. 4. Incorporate a unified color palette. A unified color palette is essential for maintaining cohesion in an open floor plan. By using a consistent color scheme, you can create a harmonious flow throughout the space. Choose a base color and then add complementary shades for variety and interest. Consider the mood you want to evoke. Soft neutrals can create a calm and serene environment, while bold colors add energy and vibrancy. Incorporating pops of color through accessories or accent walls can add personality without overwhelming the space. The goal is to ensure that each area feels connected yet distinct. 5. Add architectural elements. Architectural elements, such as columns, ceiling beams, or partial walls, can add character and help define spaces within an open floor plan. These elements provide visual interest and can serve as subtle dividers between different areas. For example, a partial wall with built-in shelving can separate the living room from the kitchen while providing additional storage. Consider the architectural style of your home when choosing these elements to ensure they complement the overall design. These features can enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your space. 6. Use multifunctional furniture. Multifunctional furniture is a lifesaver in open floor plans, offering flexibility and efficiency. Pieces like extendable dining tables, sofa beds, or storage ottomans can serve multiple purposes, maximizing the use of space. A bookshelf with a fold-down desk can transform a living room corner into a home office. Look for furniture with clean lines and neutral colors to maintain cohesion while providing versatility. The adaptability of multifunctional furniture allows you to easily reconfigure the layout to suit your needs, making your open space more dynamic and practical. 7. Blend indoor-outdoor spaces. Blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces can enhance the open feel of your floor plan. Large windows, sliding glass doors, or bifold doors can create a seamless transition to outdoor areas like patios or gardens. Incorporate outdoor elements, such as plants or natural materials, into your interior design to create a cohesive look. Consider using similar flooring materials inside and out to visually connect the spaces. This approach not only expands your living area but also brings in natural light and fresh air, contributing to a more pleasant and inviting atmosphere. 8. Create a focal point. A focal point is a key element in any open floor plan, drawing attention and anchoring the space. It could be a striking piece of art, a fireplace, or a large window with a view. Choose a focal point that reflects your style and complements the overall design. Position furniture around the focal point to enhance its impact and create a sense of balance. The right focal point can add personality and interest to your space while guiding the flow of the room. Consider the scale and proportion of the focal point to ensure it fits harmoniously within the space. 9. Maintain cohesion with flooring. Consistent flooring throughout an open floor plan can unify the space and create a seamless flow. Choose a flooring material that suits the overall design and is durable enough to withstand the various activities that occur in an open space. Hardwood, laminate, or polished concrete are popular choices for their versatility and timeless appeal. If you prefer different flooring materials for specific areas, ensure they complement each other in color and texture. The goal is to maintain a sense of continuity while allowing each zone to have its unique identity. 10. Add vertical dividers. Vertical dividers are an effective way to define spaces without closing off an open floor plan. Options include floor-to-ceiling shelves, sliding panels, or decorative screens. These dividers can add privacy and visual interest while allowing light and air to flow freely. Consider the level of transparency you desire. Frosted glass or lattice screens offer partial separation, while open shelves can display books or decorative items. Vertical dividers can also serve as a backdrop for artwork or plants, adding depth and character to your space. Choose dividers that complement the overall design and enhance the functionality of your open floor plan.